Bobby's surfboard in the back there.
Wait,
Hmm?
that's from cow poo.
Why do you use the Hilti and not the Makita?
Hey?
Why do you use the Hilti, not the Makita?
The battery lasts longer, and I got used to it, man.
Yeah.
If I use Makita now, it just doesn't fit in my hand, man.
Yeah.
At all. Yeah. Somehow it's small handle, you know, wobbly inside. But when you hold this, man, hey, this is a big man.
In his thing, but that's really hard to hold it on your neck like hold it every day. That's
Nah, this is not big difference in this is not heavier, man.
look, it's not
Not
hard.
much heavier than
Look,
that.
you can fit it here, alright?
Yeah.
But give it to me. Oh, push.
No. I think no.
What the fuck is this?
No. This is what I do. You can have it here. You can have it on this side, and even you can have it like this. You can have it like this.
That's really hard when you wanna move from
You can have it
door
like this.
all the time. The battery will stuck on the door.
Hilti, man. Diamonds, man.
It said grab 2
Plus,
7.
in Makitas, you gotta change brushes every now and then. You gotta change switches, you know, the switch. You gotta change that yearly. But in Hilti, nothing at all, man. You just have little plastic on top of your head that you gotta replace every now and then. That's I think
Don't
3 or 4
forget,
bucks.
Makita is at 350. How much they help you?
750, man.
So double.
No, 7 Hilti with a whole lot. Charger, 2 battery, Hilti, man.
How much? 750.
750. I bought it on special. 750. I think you can still buy it.
How much is the normal price? $1,000.
I used to be 1500. It used to be 1500.
5 times more
Right.
expensive.
Yeah, but it lasts. This Hilti, it lasts, I think, minimum 5-6 years. Minimum.
How long you had yours?
4 or 5 years, maybe.
Yeah. Never had to do anything?
Nah, nothing at all, man. Even he knows sometimes. Yeah.
He fight with the gun.
I fight with the gun.
It's still working.
Yeah. Because sometimes you put 32s in it.
Sometimes he is too much happy and smash gun on the floor.
It still works, man. Still works.
10 cents.
I swear.